Hello everyone, once again welcome back to another session. In this video I will show you how you can connect domain to the Office 365 main. So let's go for configuration. First we need to log into the Office 365 admin portal. To log in Office 365 admin portal, open a browser and enter to portal.office.com, and here input your user credential, then click next, input your password. We can see the portal home page. To connect domain to Office 365 main, we need to go to admin. So let's click admin. Now we are in admin portal. To connect a domain, in the left side click settings, under the setting click domains. To add a domain, click add domain, and here write your domain. So my domain is anwartech.com, which we're gonna configure. Now click use this domain, and here we can see it is asking for domain verification. To do domain verification, we need to add DNS record as per this record. So to add this record, we need to go to domain control panel, and under the domain DNS we need to add TXT record, CNAME record, MX record, and lastly we need to add SRB record. So let's go to the domain control panel, and here go down, and under domains click zone editor. Okay, we can see our domain, and we'll click manage. At the right of the top we can see add record. Click add record, and here write your domain name .com and the TTL 3600, and under type select, click down drop and select TXT, and here we need to copy this TXT record and need to paste the TXT record here. Okay, then click add record. We can see the record is successfully, TXT record is successfully added under this domain. Okay, let's go back, and we need to add CNAME record. CNAME record, click add record, and here we need to add CNAME record for auto-discover, ship, links discover, email, and MSOID. So first we will be add CNAME record for auto-discover. So do the copy of auto-discover, under the name here do paste, and the TTL is 3600, and the type click down drop and select CNAME, and here under the record we need to do copy of this points to, and here we need to enter this FQDN. Okay, click add record. This is also successfully added. We need to add more CNAME record. So now we will be add record for ship. Do the copy of this, click add and do paste, and the TTL value is 3600. Click this down drop, select CNAME record, and we need to take the FQDN. So FQDN is sipdir.online.lync.com. So do copy of this and paste it here. Okay, then click add record. Again go back, do the copy of this, click add, paste it here, and the TTL value is 3600, and the type, select CNAME and take the FQDN, copy of this and paste it here. Don't make any mistake. Remember that you need to carefully input the DNS record under the domain. Okay, click add record. Again go back for email, add record, paste, TTL is 3600, under the type CNAME and bring the FQDN email.secureserver.net, copy, paste, then add record. Same way we will do the for MSOID, copy, add record, paste, and 3600, type, select CNAME and the FQDN is to copy, paste it here, add record. So now we need to add the Amex record. Copy of this target text and click add record, and the TTL value is 3600, and under the down drop select Amex and the destination. Under the destination paste the text here, and the priority is, and here as it mentioned the priority is 0, so priority, input priority is 0. Let's click add record. Okay, we can see successfully added Amex record, and the last we need to add the SRV records. So there is a port number and the protocol and the service and the priority and the weight and the target. So let's go to the cPanel and add record. Here select SRV. Okay, our target is first copy of this text, and here under the target paste it, and the port, bring the port number is a 443. Okay, the weight value is 1 and the priority is 100. Then just select the protocol TLS, pilot zone name, okay, put it here, and the TTL is 3600, add record. Then the last one, do the copy of this text, add record. From here select SRV target, paste it here, and the port. Okay, then the priority is 100, weight is 1, TTL 3600, and here the service name, to the copy of the service name and paste it here. Okay, then click add record. So you can see, just let's have a look, do the verify the TXT record, click the TXT record. Under the TXT record we can see TXT record, and under the CNAME record, if we say short the CNAME, and we can see auto discover is there, and the shape is there, and the lens discover is there, and the email is there, and MSOID also is there. Okay, now if we look MX record, yes, our MX record also is there. Okay, the last one is the SRV record. If we filter SRV record, and we can see our this 2 record is there. So finally, just do the review that to connect a domain under the DNS, we have added TXT record, CNAME records, MX record, and the last one is SRV record. So let's click check my setting. We can see our domain setup is complete. Now the domain is ready for use Office 365 mail. That's how you can connect domain to Office 365. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye bye.